Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of web application security with OWASP ZAP. We'll learn what OWASP ZAP is, how to install it on Kali Linux, and use the DVWA application as our target for practical demonstrations, including generating reports. Let's get started. So, what is OWASP ZAP all about? OWASP ZAP, short for Z Attack Proxy, is a widely used open-source tool designed for web application security testing. It helps security professionals identify vulnerabilities in web applications. As part of the Open Web Application Security Project, OWASP, ZAP is both user-friendly and powerful, ideal for beginners and experts in the field. Now, let's install OWASP ZAP on Kali Linux. Follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Firefox browser on Kali Linux. 2. Search for Download OWASP ZAP in Google. 3. Click on the download button for the Linux installer. 4. Open the terminal as a root user and navigate to the Downloads folder. 5. Type chmod space +xzap _2_15_0_unix.sh and press enter. 6. Type ./zap_2_15_0_unix.sh and press enter. 7. An installation window will open. 8. Click Next. 9. Accept the agreement by clicking I accept. Then, click Next. 11. Select the standard installation option. 12. Click Next. 13. Click Install. 14. The installation will start and take a few seconds. 15. Click Finish once the installation is complete. 16. To open the ZAP application, click on the Kali Linux icon in the top left corner. Type ZAP in the search box and enter. Or click on ZAP. 17. The ZAP application will open and may take a few minutes to load. 18. Select No, I do not want to persist this session at this moment in time. 19. Click the Start button. 20. Click on Automated Scan. 21. Enter the URL in the provided text box. 22. Click on the Attack button. Scan will start. It will take some time to complete the scan. All the results will be available under the Alerts directory. Once we've run our scans, it's important to save a report. Here's how you do it. Go to the Reports tab in OWASP ZAP. Next, select Generate HTML Report. Choose your desktop as the save location and click Save button. This report will give us detailed information about the vulnerabilities we found. This is how we use ZAP to scan and generate a report. Thanks for watching.